Assalamualaikum. How are you everyone, and welcome to the part 2 of this video. In this video, I'd like to show you how to crochet the upper part or the body of this beautiful drawstring bag. The body of this bag is made of the multiple of 6. I used a pretty cool shell stitch pattern, 2 large wooden beads as embellishment, and I made a fundless chains for single crochet as the drawstring rope and beautiful Romanian cord as the handle. Well everyone, if you are ready, let's get started. The materials are polyester yarns, crochet hook number 2.20mm, the stitch markers, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle. I have shown you how to make the bottom part of this drawstring bag on the previous video. This bottom part consists of the multiple of 6 and it has a totally 102 double crochet. Now I'm going to show you how to make the main pattern. Firstly, make chain 1, then make 1 single crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches after this single crochet, then make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. These 5 double crochet are considered as one shell stitch pattern. 3, 4, 5. This is the first shell stitch pattern. Skip 2 stitches after the shell stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next one stitch. This is a complete first shell stitch pattern. Then skip 2 stitches after the single crochet, make 5 double crochet in the next one stitch. These 5 double crochet are considered as one shell stitch. 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches after the shell stitch, make 1 single crochet in the next one stitch. 2 shell stitches are done. Then skip 2 stitches after the single crochet, make 5 double crochet in the next one stitch. This one is the third shell stitch pattern. 5 double crochet are considered as one shell stitch pattern. 3, 4, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in the next one stitch. Do these actions over and over again to complete this first round. This is the last shell stitch pattern. Just like before, skip 2 stitches after the single crochet, make 5 double crochet in the same stitch. These 5 double crochets are considered as one shell stitch pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches after the shell stitch, then make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. The first round is complete. This first round is made of shell stitches. Now I'm going to show you how to make the second round. However, this second round is not made of the shell stitches. To make this round, firstly make 3 chains. These 3 chains represent first double crochet. Then make 2 more chains. These 2 more chains represent the normal chain 2. After that, skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the middle of the previous shell stitch. Then chains 2 or chain up 2. After that, make 1 double crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. Okay, It's a bit noisy outside, but it's okay. Then chain 2, skip these 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet on the 3rd stitch. Make 2 chains, then make 1 double crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. Make 2 chains again, skip these 2 stitches, then make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Make 2 chains again, then make 1 double crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. These are the repeated actions, so repeat these actions over and over again to complete this second round. This is the last pattern of the second round. Make 2 last chains and make the slip stitch in the 3rd chains. This is 5 chains we made at the beginning of the round 2, and to end these rounds you need to make a slip stitch on the 3rd chains. These 3 chains represents the first double crochet. The second round is complete. Now I'm gonna make the 3rd one. Firstly, make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet and a seam stitch. This 3rd chain is made of the shell stitches. After making 1 single crochet, skip 2 stitches or skip these 2 chain stitches. Then go to the next one and make 5 double crochet. These 5 double crochet are considered as 1 shell stitch. Skip 2 stitches again and make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch or on the top of the previous double crochet. Then skip 2 chain stitches again and make 5 double crochet in the next 1 stitch. These 5 double crochet which are made in a seam stitch are considered as 1 shell stitch. 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 chain stitches and make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch or make 1 single crochet on the top of the previous double crochet. Skip 2 chain stitches, then make 5 double crochet in the next 1 stitch or make another shell stitch in the next 1 stitch. It's very easy, isn't it? You just need to repeat this action over and over again to complete this 3rd round. This is the last shell stitch pattern for this 3rd round. Make 5 double crochet and a seam stitch or make 5 double crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. These 5 double crochets which are made in a seam stitch are considered as 1 shell stitch pattern. This is the 4th double crochet and this one is the last double crochet. Okay, after that find out a stitch on the top of the very first single crochet and make a stitch on it. Here is the stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through this loop. Perfect. The 3rd round is complete and this is what it looks like. Now let's start the 4th one. Make 5 chains. 3 of them represents 1 double crochet and the 2 others represent the normal chains. Then make 1 single crochet in the middle of the previous shell stitch. Make 2 chains and make 1 double crochet on the top of the previous single crochet. We always work with repeated stitches in working with the crochet project. This one is not an exceptional. So you need to repeat this action over and over again to complete a single row and to complete the whole project. This is my last shell stitch pattern for this project. This is the 3rd double crochet. I'm making 5 double crochet in a same stitch. This 5 double crochet represents the shell stitch, and this one is my last shell stitch pattern for this project. Okay, after completing this last shell stitch, I'm gonna make a slip stitch on the top of the very first single crochet. I will cut the yarn to end this project. And don't forget to fasten the yarn and to hide this yarn tail. This is a beautiful drawstring rope made of chainless single crochet. I will attach it to this beautiful drawstring bag. This one is the pretty cool Romanian cord that I use as the handle of this bag. I use 2 cute wooden beads as embellishments, and this is how to attach them to the drawstring rope. Finally, this cute drawstring bag is ready, and I hope you like it. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day and happy crochet!